Here at North County Indian Motorcycle, we have a 2018 Indian Scout 60. Previous owner installed a Stage 2 exhaust and some Fox R shocks. Sounds like something out of a Dr. Seuss novel. Perfect entry-level bike, lightweight with a low center of gravity, and only 144 miles. With a 60 cubic inch engine and a 5-speed transmission. This is a perfect way to test Indian motorcycle product without spending too much money. This bike is available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.